Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make an Affirm payment. You see, this is a very straightforward process. The first thing you need to do is to go to the Affirm website, that is affirm.com, or open the Affirm mobile app and log in. Once you're in, you have to navigate to your purchase or manage option. So you find that section that's labeled purchases. It can also be labeled loan. Then, after finding it, next thing you're going to do is to choose a specific loan or purchase you wish to make a payment towards. Then look for an option that says make a payment. It could also be pay now or pay. Once you found that option, select the amount you want to pay, the date you want the payment to be made, and the payment method you wish to use. It could be debit card, bank account, or sometimes credit card for specific payment plans. Then double check the payment amount, the date, and the method to ensure everything is correct, and once you're sure, confirm and submit the payment. It's as simple as that. You can also typically set up automatic payments within your Affirm account to avoid missing due dates. Payments may take a few business days to process. Hope you found this video helpful.